Hey, so what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and of course it's your boy Vidola back in today's video. So in today's video we are going to be covering up something really so nice. So I want to share some of the psychological tips on how you can actually become a profitable trader, right? So before that, we're going to of course to first check a few trades on my phone, and then I'll show you how I'm actually able to hold them, and yeah, after that we shall slide into the tips. So let's slide into the video. Alright, now of course, as you guys know, in trading we have three main components. I think we have actually discussed this multiple times, and I hope you guys really know about this. So we have of course the first thing being your strategy. What's your strategy as a trader? You know, are you gambling? But of course the most important thing is you should have a given strategy. And then the second thing, of course, as you guys know, is risk management. And then the last and most important is psychology. And that's what we are going to be basically covering in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to first look at some of these trades, and then I'm going to explain something really so important. So of course, as you guys can see, I had trades of course on GBP USD, and this is how we are literally running. This is one of my big accounts. Now I'm going to first of course show you something really so quick here on how I happen to get these trades. So you can see this curve here that I actually have on my charts. It's the 200 moving average, the 200 exponential moving average. I've actually talked about this multiple times. So it's just basically helping us to get the overall trend. We said when the markets are below it, it's a downtrend. So it's the same thing that I actually saw here. So I saw on the 4-hour time frame, I saw the markets maintaining the movement to the downside. You can see a bounce of the 200 moving average, and this is why I actually got these trades. And then I had to place my stop loss just above the wick, though at this point I can actually be able to adjust it because I've actually been able to capture up to 50 pips. So I can actually be able to adjust my stop loss to break even. Now adjusting the stop loss of course to break even helps. Why? I'm literally securing some of the profits. So that's how we are basically standing at the moment. So let's go ahead and cover up some of these psychological tips. And yep, first thing of course guys is fear. How do you actually overcome fear in these markets? Now we have many things. There's fear of course of entering a trade, then fear of holding a trade. You could possibly be in a trade, but then maybe you are, let's say you're either in profit. Now when you're in profit, you have the fear of the trade going against you. Now you have two options. Most people now feel like, okay, I think I have to close the trade right now, or else it's going to go against me and I'm going to lose, right? Then the other person could possibly have this fear. Let's say the trade has gone against him, but let's say it could have possibly been a pullback, and then later on the trade is actually going to go in the original direction. So you have that fear of, maybe let me close the trade because it's just a mere pullback. Now how do you overcome that? So the first thing is, when you are in profits, we have two options. You can actually adjust your stop loss to break even. That is going to help you be secure, right? You have some profits in banked, just in case the trade happens to go against you, you still have the profits secured in, right? Then the next thing can be securing partial profits. Let's say I'd opened up multiple positions and you are in profits just like the positions I'm in right now. So I would decide to close, let's say 3 positions and let the 2 to keep running. So you can see that helps you to control your emotions. You're no longer getting the fear of maybe the trade could turn against me and I could possibly lose it all, you know, all that kind of stuff. The next tip guys is greed. Now greed of course, this is the character of maybe you have made money but you do not want either to secure your profits or close the positions, or even on the other hand withdrawing. Yo, that's real. Many traders actually go through this. You've actually made a lot of profits, but now you have this mentality of, I think I have to hold my positions because I'm trying to grow my account. Yo, that's profit. You did not have that money initially on your account. So whenever you make profits, to me the recommendation is, you know, close some of the profits, be able to withdraw, because the moment you withdraw, that's a motivation for you. You know, when you withdraw that money to your bank account or maybe to your phone, now that's when it seems so real. But when it's still on your application, on your trading app, yo, whether it's $1,000 or it's even 100 or it's 5, it seems so less. But when you get it straight into your bank account, it's when you actually realize that, yo, this is really big money. So that's the easiest way on overcoming greed. Greed is really so dangerous, because to me personally, I've literally gone through a lot of these things, and I know most profitable traders have actually gone through this. The greed, yo, I need to keep holding these positions. You are in deep profits, but you can't close your trades because you want to keep holding, you want to grow your account, and guess what happens? You end up blowing your account. Now the next thing, guys, is risk management. Now, funny story, so I was then one of the just a random person had to text me. I was like, yo, I have $10, but I want to convert the $10 to $200. So I think that's ridiculous. First of it all, that's, you know, that's ridiculous. So that comes in with risk management. So if you are over risking, just know it's a bit so hard to make it in trading. Why? If you have about, let's say, 5 losing trades, and you are risking about 20 or 30% of your trade, of your account on each trade, that means you have literally lost your whole account just in a few losing trades. And of course, you guys have to accept that losses are part of trading. That's the first thing. So if you can understand that losses are part of trading, you wouldn't be able to over risk. The key point in here is you risking about 1 to 2% or 1 to 3%. Maybe the main issue is on a small account you might not be able to risk that, because let's say you're trading on $50, it's a bit hard to risk 1%, because 1% of $50 is about $0.5, and pretty sure no, something of that sort. So you can see that it would be hard, but the easiest way, of course, would be you can open just a few positions, or actually even one, just let's say a position of 0.01 lot size, a maximum of 0.02, and then hold those trades. It's all about gradual growth. You know, it's a step by step. It's not all about just taking it too fast, and because if you actually take it too fast, you'll possibly crash and you will start regretting it. You're like, why didn't I, you know, manage my risk? So that's how you can actually, of course, go over risking. Don't over risk. Over-risking is so dangerous. It's detrimental to your account. Okay, now the last and most important thing, guys, in here is overtrading. Overtrading is so dangerous. I have been through such a scenario. I was actually trading on an account of about I think it was $40, but I was able to flip the $40 to about $500 in a couple of days. But now I also faced this at some point, just because I was making too much profits. Now, to me, I felt like I was supposed to keep trading every time I see a setup. So you can see that's what we call overtrading. Now, overtrading is so dangerous. It goes hand in hand with revenge trading. If you keep overtrading, you'll possibly blow up your account, or you will make money and later lose it, make money, lose it, or you know, it's all awkward, because you are literally trading out of emotions. You're not able to control your emotions, and I guess you guys really know, if you can't hold your emotions or control your emotions in here, it's all gone, you know. So like we said, psychology is really so important. So I just want you guys to actually put these tricks into practice. Okay, don't overtrade, don't over risk. Over risking is so dangerous, and don't be greedy, because if you're greedy, trading is hard. Facts, it would be hard, because yo, that's all I can really say. So if you guys really enjoyed the video, please, guess what, smash the like button, and of course make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in another video. I'm out.